What's up guys, I'm Nomadikh. Today we're at the third week of the childhood month. This entire month is paying tribute to Class Clown, an album that me and my buddy Amar put out earlier this month. It's a rap album. Go check it out if you haven't heard it, it's really dope. So in last week's video, I talked about how I was gonna take my car and I was gonna donate it to this company called Cars for Kids. You might have heard about it when you were younger. I know I did when I was a kid. And I just remember these commercials, this like theme song on TV, and that was kind of the reason why I thought to donate it to them. I ended up not donating it to them. I ended up selling it to my neighbor, but that's beyond the point. I just figured Cars for Kids was kind of like a funny idea that I had and something I thought of from childhood. So today's video, I decided I'm gonna make a remix of the Cars for Kids theme song that you probably are familiar, probably that you heard before, like I did when I was a kid on TV. And I just thought it'd be a really funny idea. So for today's video, we're gonna be making a remix out of the Cars for Kids theme song. So let's get into it.
Cars for kids, K-A-R-S, Cars for kids, 1877.
Oh my god.
1877 Cars for kids.
Ooh, that sounds kind of good actually.
1877 Cars for kids, K-A-R-S, Cars for kids, 1877 Cars for kids, 1877 Cars for kids, K-A-R-S, Cars for kids, 1877 Cars for kids, donate your car today, 1877.
That's actually kind of dope. Gonna have like a drop right here. I think it's gonna be crazy. Gotta get that 808, gotta get that bass in there. Alright guys, well that's the beat. I actually think this turned out pretty decent. I think this beat's pretty tight. Someone should rap on this beat. I say that all the time, but that's how I feel about it. So stay tuned till the end of the month because this beat, along with all the others that I made during childhood month, and a couple extras too. I have a Teletubbies beat I haven't shown you guys, and I have a Conjunction Junction beat also going to be coming out at the end of the month. It's going to be called the Childhood Beats Tape, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be on Spotify. And I'll see you next week for the next Childhood Beats episode.
Nomadikh.